Assalamu alaikum. Today we will make a video clip for training purpose to how to prepare housekeeping trolley as per Millennium Standards. Okay. Today who will explain this for us? Our supervisor Muhammad Zulfakar. He will explain how to prepare the trolley as per our Millennium Standards. Start.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm supervisor in Zulfikar. Today is how to make a trolley prepared to stop. This is the for bathroom for personal trolley. This is the for using for dusters. This one is bathroom duster. This one is dusting. This one is glass clean. This one is high dusting. This one chemical for all purpose. This for glass cleaner, films. This is the tissues for fine. This is the VIP amenities for the local. This for shaving kit. This side is the arrange of this. This one toilet rolls, tissue rolls. This is the toilet used for shampoo, conditioner, body lotion.
This is all for bathroom.
This
right?
all bathrooms.
Okay. Bathroom supplies.
Yeah, bathroom supplies. This one for VIP amenities, vanity kit. This one for shower cap. This for sanitary bag. This is the prepared to VIP amenities.
Yeah. What is this purpose?
This one is the down is very
To remove the stickers, anything sticks
yeah.
on the ground.
Yes, good.
What's this?
This is the shampoo.
What is it? Soap.
Yeah, this the
There's two soap. One. This one for what?
yeah soap. This one.
This for bathroom. This one shower. This
Shower
for
bathroom.
wash basin.
Wash basin.
Okay. We have some stuff here. What? This for what?
This one is the glass clean.
Glass cleaner. Okay. What is this?
This one is brush bathroom WSK brush.
The seat.
Sit, yeah.
Okay.
This one is the brush.
And what is this?
This one insect in room anything.
Insects.
Yeah, insects.
For the bugs.
For bugs.
What is this?
This one is the steel polish.
Steel
All
polish.
rooms are finished after install.
Okay. And this one?
This one harping. WC can use the first time.
For the WC.
WC, yeah.
Okay. We clean WC. with
Yeah,
that.
WC. This one.
Okay. Very good. Okay. We have something here. What is this?
This one, any WCK.
Sorry, I'm not wearing gloves, but this is also for the WC,
Yeah,
right?
WC.
Okay, so here down what we have?
This one is the perfumes. All rooms are finished after air freshener.
Like a fragrance.
Like air freshness.
Okay, what's this?
This one is garbage bag.
Okay, here we have some stuff.
This one is AC brush.
AC brush.
AC grey brush.
Okay, the grid.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay, we have two also there. Bring it out. We want to see.
This one is bathroom rice brush.
This brush for bathroom. For the ground.
Ground, yeah.
Okay, and that one?
This is the WC.
This is moving. Okay, you can return back this.
Yeah, okay.
So you have here also some stuff. And you can show us. Now here, what is it?
This is the bed sheet.
Okay.
Yeah.
This you will put on the bed.
Yeah, bed in the bed. On the bed.
Okay.
This is the duvet cover.
This is the duvet cover.
Duvet cover.
Also to prepare the bed.
To the bed in the
Okay.
This one is the pillow cover.
Pillow cover.
Pillow cover.
Okay. All kinds of pillows.
Yeah, pillows are
on the
pillow
bed.
protector and the pillow cover.
Okay. And here,
This one is bath towel.
last towel.
Yeah, okay. This is the back mat.
Yeah.
This is hand towel.
And towel.
Yeah.
Down.
Yeah, it's everything.
Same, huh?
Same, huh? So how to prepare to this same is
So this area all, especially for the linen.
Linen.
Okay. We have here mask.
Yeah, this is my mask and the gloves.
And we have here
This one is water tank.
water tank. Okay. And what else here?
This one is dirty linen. How to check out
The bag of dirty linen.
linens.
What is this?
This one is the laundry bags.
Laundry bag.
Yeah, okay.
So you fit all laundry bag here.
Laundry bags here. Maybe his customer is.
So this is the last section.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for today.
Welcome, sir.
And we will do the other section.
Inshallah.
Thank you.